In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to make extra money as a teenager or a college student. And not one of them involves having to mow lawns, because I watch every other video out there and they all basically tell you to mow lawns. I'm even going to show you how to make upwards of $1,000 or more without hardly doing anything. You will make this money actually in your sleep. If you are a parent watching this, you can do this too. This is all totally doable, but let's just get started. Now, there's 4 criteria that I chose when picking these methods. It's got to be easy to do in your spare time, good for introverts, so if you're socially awkward, you can still do these methods. No manual labor, no shoveling snow or mowing grass. Not everyone even has snow. Not even everyone has lawns. Maybe you're in a state like Arizona or Texas or something, no lawns. And most importantly, no startup costs needed. All you need is your phone, 0 startup cost. First thing you can do to start making money right away is to sell sticker decals. You see these on laptops, on water bottles, car windshields. People love stickers, and I'm talking high quality vinyl. You can sell these things for $2 to $3 each, $5 each, $8 to $10 each. Huge profit margin. Profit margin just means how much profit you make on something. If you sell this for $3 and it costs you 50 cents, that's an 83% profit margin. This is the math that actually helps you in life. Like you don't need calculus to calculate profits. If you sold 30 of these for $10 each and it only costs you 60 bucks, you made $240 in profit. And if you don't think people will buy these things, you are crazy. Some people will buy 2 or 3 of them. Just think of all the sports teams: track, cross country, hockey, field hockey, rowing, basketball, baseball, football, lacrosse, soccer, archery, bowling, golf, softball, volleyball, tennis, swim, whatever sports you have in your school, you name it, the teammates are gonna want these. They'll put them on their lockers, they'll put them on their hydro flasks. Remember that? And it's not just the students, but it's the moms too. Like, you don't think the soccer mom's going to want to put a sticker on her freaking minivan and on her water bottle when she goes to the gym and gets on that elliptical or Stairmaster? She loves the attention. She loves this. The moms are going to buy them too. It's not just sports either. It's the chess club, drama club, the math club. Everyone loves a good sticker. It expresses who they are. LGBT, anime, reptiles, dogs, cats, crystals, flowers, plants, anything you can think of you could put on a sticker. You might be in gymnastics or dance outside of school. They're going to want stickers. Every mom's going to want a gymnastic dance mom sticker. You're going to have to get your parents involved because you're going to have to process a larger transaction. They're going to be like, what the heck, James? You're making thousands of dollars here and not telling me. Now you got to start paying rent. When you go to college, there's a million clubs, the Asian club, the art club, whatever you're in, they're going to want them. You're going to be the only person out there doing this. There's no one else doing this. You may be thinking, okay, Jake, this sounds good, but how do I actually make these? Making them is really easy and it's fun. Just use canva.com. You can use it on your phone. You can even draw them on Procreate if you're artistic. Just take your school colors, something to do like North Valley track, and get an element of the track symbol. It's really, really, really simple. Your school may even have graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Stickers are so easy to make. Typically, they're like 2 inches across like this. They cost about $1/4 each. You can sell them for $1 or $2, or they go 3 inches across, which you can sell for $3 to $5. These will cost you about 50 cents. And you can get really big like these, which you can charge $8 to $10. These go on like windshields and stuff, and these are only going to cost you $2. You make so much money on these things. I've got a price list down in the description below. You can download it. We'll make those contour cuts for you so you can show them off. And then when everyone's ready to buy them, we'll give you a payment link. You have your parent pay for it or whatever, and we'll get you the stickers. Sometimes I can print them the same days, but generally in just a few days you'll have them. And if you're really wanting to get out there, hit up gyms, bakeries, coffee shops, your dad's CrossFit gym or your mom's CrossFit gym. Those CrossFit people are crazy. You might have a 5,000 sticker order because it's CrossFit psychopaths and they each want 50 each. When you print with me, there's no minimum quantity and you can mix and match. Every other sticker place, they require you to buy 50 to 100 of them at a time, and you can't mix and match. So if you got 3 different kinds, you'd have to buy hundreds of each. And I don't care. You can do 5, 2-inch, 3 inches, totally fine. I don't care. I do not care, because it might just be you and your 3 friends that want something. That's totally fine. I will do that because then they see it and then more people want it, and it turns out to be bigger orders. I'm the only place that will do that, so I'm just suggesting me. I want you making that money. Side hustle 2 goes along perfectly, and that's selling buttons. Same thing, no minimum, super cheap, really great profits, mix and match, and they're great for students that want to express themselves. Everyone has a backpack, whether you're in high school or college, everyone has a backpack, but these buttons go on all day. We can do them in different shapes, we can do hearts, ovals, circles, triangles, even like shirt shapes, like jerseys and stuff. You could have each teammate will want their own number on it. No problem at all. These are fantastic to sell. No one else will do mix and match, minimum quantities, high quality. And this opens you up to things like political sales and campaigns or movements. Maybe you have a political candidate you're supporting or you're working like an internship for or anything, or you support a movement. It can be a great way to get that message across. Sell these buttons. Hustle number 3 is designing business cards. As long as you have a good print source, printingforsupercheap.com, information below, and a way to design things like Canva, you can do some really cool stuff. You can make business cards and flyers. If you're introverted, don't worry. You can just message business owners, hit them up on Instagram. Don't go crazy. Don't go spamming people, but just pick some businesses that you like, or maybe your favorite coffee shop or a bookstore, or an art gallery, bakery, cafe. Tell them you're a college student, high school student, college student, and you're interested in graphic design. Ask if they wouldn't mind if you redesign their business cards or made some new business cards or menus for them. They'll pay you $20, $40, $50. They'll do it. These businesses will respect you right away. When you're a student, they love that. You get so much respect because you're out there hustling. Hustle number 4 are wedding invites. There's someone in your family is going to be getting married, and they're going to need wedding invites. Not just one thing. There's going to be Jack and Jill party tickets and stag party tickets and stuff. There's going to be RSVPs, save the dates, quinceañeras too, things like that, and birthdays. You can make these all on Canva. Make them all on Canva.com. It's free. They're beautiful. These are all made on Canva. Every single one of them, all made on Canva. You make $50, $200 each time. You're going to have family that's getting married, friends are getting married, friends of those people that are getting married. You will be able to do for probably the rest of your life, and it will be a side income that will help pay some bills, a life skill that you will have forever that will help you make money anytime that you need it, because there's going to be points where you're between jobs where you just need that little extra cash, and these are things you can fall back on. Number 5 are grad parties. Graduation parties. You or your friends, graduation, they need the cards, the invite, they need yard signs, banners, poster boards, things with the pictures, all that stuff I can do. It's cheaper than anyone else. You'll make money. It'll look like it came from you. I mean, senior graduation signs, for example, you can charge $25, $30 for those, and it's only going to cost you like $10, including the stakes. I can even do them personalized. You can do 10 different signs. No one else does that. Collect the money, arrange it all. You get your parents involved, of course, and we'll drop ship it out to you, and you will be the person that's designing all these signs and stuff. And every year, there's a new graduating class. There's a new graduating class, more graduation parties. Maybe you've got siblings that have them. Maybe you've got the class before you, above you. This will be an income stream every single year, and I can't wait to see you make some money on this. And lastly, as promised in the beginning of the video, I'd show you a way to make upwards of even $1,000 without doing much anything. Here's what I want you to do. Create a guide on how you did it. So once you start making money from these hustles, I want you to make a guide, make a detailed step-by-step guide. Put it in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, whatever, make some videos, make a step-by-step instruction guide. You can sell it $20, $30, $50. Other people will want to see what you're doing if it's working for you, and they will buy it. You can make $1,000 on it. Depends on how many people buy it. You'll go to sleep and you'll have some sales. You make TikTok, promotional videos, whatever. Once you see success with this, share that with others. Maybe you found a unique way to sell these, or things to say, or who to go after. Help another student out, or maybe even make a guide for free and just promote that on TikTok, because the workforce is really hard. Like, it's tough. I don't know how some of these people do it. They get rent is so expensive. You're going to have to work like 10 jobs. And you go to college for 50 years or something. You could just be selling all this stuff. I still go to college. Just do whatever. I don't know. I never went to college. You're going to be making so much money. You're going to be making stickers and buttons, banners, invitations, everything else. Instead of worrying about if your parents find your vape pen or something, they're going to find a bucket of cash. Going to be, what the heck is all this cash? What do you got going on here? I'm selling stickers, Mom. I swear to God, I'm selling stickers. In all honesty, though, get your family involved. Get your family involved. This could be a family business for you. They're going to have connections. They're going to have ideas. There's going to be tax issues and stuff. You start making a whole bunch of money, you're going to need them to help you with processing payments and stuff like that. Get your parents involved. Not everyone is cut out for a job or in a corporate office. I mean, it's not for everyone. And if you're a parent watching this, get your kids involved. You need some new brakes or something, and the car breaks down. You don't have the funds, or maybe take a vacation, or just to make ends meet. This gives you something. Look, I have 7 kids. I will go bankrupt on Xbox games and Shein. You got to teach your kids how to make money on their own and not just depend on a job, because you don't know the insecurity of what's going to happen. You could be fired at any moment. Use these techniques, use these entrepreneurial things so you can always make money when you need. This is like the best gift you can ever give yourself or a child. You better hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment if it helps. Sign up on my newsletter down there in the email in the description below. I hope to see you watching some of my other videos. That's all I got for today. Jake Lorraine, HighResponseMarketing.com and printingforsupercheap.com.